Main Page Overview. After logging in, you will be delivered to the main page. On this main page, we can see all kinds of different tabs and buttons. We'll take a few moments to go over what each one of these do. In the top left-hand corner, we have where it says DSX Docking Station Local Server. This is actually a button. If I click on it, it will navigate me back to this main home page every time. Directly below that, it talks about what user you're signed in as. I'm signed in as the default user, DSS user, and it is a super user account. Then I have multiple tabs underneath which will take me to different things. My active equipment, my DS2 clusters, my docking stations, instruments, components, profiles, users, and events. We will be going through each one of these in greater detail. If I want to minimize this bar and get it out of my way, I have two ways of doing that. One is clicking on the arrow at the very bottom pointing towards the left, and it will minimize that screen. The other way is when this is open, on the top right hand corner of the screen, I can click on this collapse menu button. When I do that, it will collapse the menu on the left hand side, and it will only appear if I hover over it with my mouse. If I want it to come back, I just click on the collapse menu button again, and it will come back. Also up in the top right hand corner, we have our settings menu. By clicking on the settings, it opens up the drop down menus where we can view the account settings, default alarm settings, default calibration gas settings, the docking station server configuration, and application settings. The next button is our log out button. If I click on this, it will sign me out of the system.